Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited you're here. Today we are heading on a virtual tour to the biggest housing project going on in Enugu currently. This is my channel. My name is Jeff Anozie and I want to welcome you. Sit back, relax. I'm actually going to be showing you the distance, how close this particular project is to the heart of town. I'm talking of Independence Layout. Now, I'm also going to show you at the end of this video the exact minutes, the exact duration of time is going to take you from this housing project straight to the government house, which is actually in the heart of town. Stay tuned. Again, if you're new on this channel, you are highly welcome. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I am Jeff Anozie, and on this channel I bring you real estate investment opportunities right here in Nigeria. I'm based in the Southeast. I'm your favorite real estate consultant based in the Southeast, Enugu State particularly. And today we are going on a tour on a virtual tour, like a virtual inspection to the biggest housing development project in Enugu State currently, called the new Enugu City. If you've been here, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for always being there. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends as we are heading towards the biggest housing project currently ongoing in Enugu State. We are in Independence Layout right now. We're heading towards the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express, coming from Agric Bank. Now we're in Republic Layout or Republic Estate, and we're heading towards the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express. We're going to join the express as we connect the road leading to the biggest housing project currently ongoing in Enugu State, Nigeria. Okay, now sometime last month, this is the month of July, sometime last month, the governor, His Excellency Honourable Ugwuanyi, accompanied by the State Commissioner for Housing, Honourable Vitus Okechi, right, and his team of engineers and surveyors, they went to inspect this massive ongoing project. There are a lot of pictures of that inspection on the internet, and I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of them. I want to show you the road to that project, as it's actually the buzz of town. And you know, my goal is to bring you these things on time so that you can actually take advantage. All right, now that it's early, before of course the price changes and everybody jumps on the offer. So we're just hitting the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express. As you can see, this place is the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. Okay, we're going to connect to it, but there's a checkpoint in front. There's an army checkpoint in front. So I'm going to pause this video and continue when I cross to the other side of the road. So my goal is to cross to the other side of the road, as the housing project is in the opposite direction. So I have just crossed to the other side of the road. That's where those cars are coming from. That is where we just came out from. Now there's a police checkpoint over there. So I cross the police checkpoint, then cross the other side of the road, and now we are heading towards the housing project. Okay, so this by my left there is the entrance back into Independence Layout. Okay, so my goal in this video is to show you exactly where this particular housing project is and how close or accessible it is to the main town. So look at that entrance there leads straight back to Independence Layout. So WAEC, Agric Bank, ESBS, Government House, straight on that road you're seeing right there, back to town. Okay, so let us go. So we're heading towards this place now. To my right, if you see those red zinc there, that is the new Kenyatta market. Okay, I've been trying to let some people know exactly where this particular market is. It's the new Kenyatta market. If you're familiar with Enugu, you know Kenyatta market, the old Kenyatta market, close to Timber. All right, after Ugwuanyi. Okay, so this place is the new building materials market in Enugu. The governor actually moved the people from there to this place to decongest the town, the city. And you can see this place is growing massively, turning to a city of its own. Okay, this is the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express, and the opposite direction is UNTH, Four Corner, Ugwuanyi, you know, Gariki and the rest. Now in this direction we are facing now is the new Kenyatta, this is the entrance to the new Kenyatta market. This is the building materials market now. Okay, then to my right as well is New Jerusalem. Okay, so you can see that this place now, the new and also Independence Layout Phase 2 is to my right. Okay, so you can see that this place now is Enugu town or Enugu City is moving towards this direction. Okay, on the opposite direction down the other side of the road is Centenary City. Okay, I will leave an eye icon up there so you can see a link to Centenary. This entrance leads to New Jerusalem. Okay, you must have heard of New Jerusalem. It's also a housing unit or housing environment in Enugu currently. We're actually on the Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. Straight down this road leads back into Enugu as well. If you go straight down this road, you're going to see New Artisan Market. You're going to see NNPC Depot, Naira Triangle, and it leads back to Abakaliki Road down to Apapa Junction, you know, to Polo Park Mall. Straight this road leads down to that place. Okay, so a few minutes after that Independence Layout, to my right here, as you can see from this signboard, is the proposed new Enugu City, all right, powered by the Ministry of Housing, Enugu. This here is where the governor came. You can see the pictures. I'll display a few of them on the screen right now. You can see it. This is when the governor came to inspect this place sometime early this month. He came on inspection to this place, all right. The project is massive, as serious work is going on. The drainage is going on. The Ministry of Housing, they are currently building the infrastructure here. Okay, and this is when you buy. You know, I always tell you that the best time to buy the property is when it's on the construction stage right now. As you can see, they are building the drainages, they are building the gutters. Okay, on the left there, as you can see, this is the environment. This is Independence Layout Phase 2. Okay, all this place you're seeing right here is Independence Layout Phase 2. Okay, and it's a built-up environment actually. Just that the government now took up a large chunk of land within this environment, all right, to put up this project. Is about 2,667 hectares of land. It's quite a very big place. It's going to be like a city. As the name goes, the new Enugu City. Okay, it's going to be in 3 phases, and it's just adjacent to Independence Layout Phase 2. This place is Independence Layout Phase 2. So you can see it's in a properly built up environment. Okay, and you know, I know that's why you love me, because I bring you this good news, this type of updates, you know, from time to time. Okay, so that you can take advantage of this, and that is why we're bringing this now. This is going to be a residential housing project. It's strictly residential, all right, which is being executed by the Governor Ugwuanyi's administration through the State Ministry of Housing, through the State Ministry of Housing, right? And it's going to have ultra-modern facilities such as dual carriageway. You can see I'm just heading out from the Independence Layout Phase 2, okay, to join the dual carriageway leading into this new Enugu housing, you know, housing project. Okay, it's going to have culverts, security network, estate plots. Civil servants are going to have an estate inside here. It's going to have an international market. It's going to have churches. All right, it's going to have organized open spaces. You can see the dual carriageway. This dual carriageway leads straight back to the express. Okay, so you can see it's just adjacent Independence Layout Phase 2. It's in a built-up environment, guys. So if you missed out on Centenary City when it just began, and you missed out of Independence Layout, this is an opportunity, as we are bringing to you firsthand this opportunity. As a matter of fact, once you're interested in this, we'll take you straight personally to meet the Commissioner of Housing himself, so that you can rest assured that you will get it directly from the source. As you can see, the machines are still on ground, working tirelessly to make sure that this place comes up to speed, and you get you get upon purchase, you get an allocation letter for your plot or the number of plots you buy right here in the new Enugu City. Now, the plots are in 1,100 square meters. That's the standard plot here. Okay, standard plot size is 1,100 square meter. Okay, and that goes for 24 million. Now, in this phase, 1,100 is like a 2 plots of land standard in Enugu. Okay, there are other plots like 800 square meters, okay, and 650 square meters. All right, I'll drop a list of the amount, plot sizes, and the amounts by the end of this video, okay, so that you can see it and have an idea. Or you can call me up on 00967376668 to get your hands on this amazing project. Okay, as you can see, this is the express. Okay, that's the signboard down there. The proposed new Enugu City, sitting right here, just adjacent Independence Layout Phase 2, and a few minutes drive, just about 6 to 7 minutes drive from the government house. All right, so I'm going to go back through New Artisan, all right, to the government house so that you can have a sense of the distance. Okay, so you can have the sense of the distance and how very close this place is. There's this Anglican church here, the Ebenezer Anglican Church. If you know this Independence Layout Phase 2, you know that you know this particular church, and see how close Independence Layout Phase 2 is to this new Enugu housing project. Guys, this is not a project you want to sleep on. A standard plot size is 1,100 square meters, and I mean, that is a very big, that's like 2 plots of land in Enugu. So this is an amazing opportunity. Call me now to book your plots. The standard plot 1,100 square meters is 24 million naira. All right, 800 square meters is about 18 million naira. 650 square meters is about 15 million naira. Now, this is at this stage when so much work has not been done, all right, on the new Enugu project. Once work commences, you know, I always tell you that development drives price, development drives value of a place. Okay, so this is Port Harcourt Express. We're heading back to Independence Layout through New Artisan. So I'm going to divert right. We're taking right as we divert off the express, heading towards Independence Layout. You can see how close this thing is. So this, right in front of us there is New Artisan. All right, if you know Goshen Estate, Dunamis Church, Premier Layout, they are all in this axis. All right, to my right there, that entrance, you will see a green entrance. So inside there is where you get Goshen Estate. Right here, inside this entrance, now you get Goshen Estate, you get Premier Layout. Okay, New Artisan. This area is called New Artisan. Okay, so we're going to turn left back into Independence Layout. Okay, straight to my right there is the road leading to Abakaliki. All right, so but we're heading back to Independence Layout. So I'll go across the bridge. This is New Artisan Bridge. All right, back to Independence Layout. So check your time and check how many minutes it will take from the new Enugu City, all right, the housing project, the biggest housing project currently in Enugu, by the Enugu state government through the Ministry of Housing. Okay, and as I told you, once you're interested in this deal, you can call me up on 00967376668, and we will take you directly to the Commissioner for Housing so that you will speak with him directly. He will show you the plan, the layout plan for that place. Of course, it's still at the beginning stages now, so not much physical infrastructure has been done. They're still building the road and they're still building the drainages, all right? But you know this is a government project, and so they're going to deliver as they have promised. So we are right now in Independence Layout, as you can see, all right? This is that Ibusa Road leading down to Waek roundabout. Okay, so this is Independence Layout. So just check how many minutes it takes. It's less than 6 minutes drive, less than 6 to 7 minutes drive from the government house itself to the new Enugu City. Okay, So go ahead and call me now, 08096737668. If you're new on this channel, welcome. Hit the like button, subscribe button, turn on the notification bell on this channel, because the goal is to bring you awesome real estate investment opportunities like this. I try to let you in on it before every other person gets to know, so that you can take advantage of it. This is Independence Layout. This environment was just like that new Enugu City some years ago, okay? People that took advantage are enjoying it right now, all right? So, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to hear from you. Send me a WhatsApp message there with the links down in the description box, all right? Call me. I'll give you more information when you call, all right? And do enjoy the rest of this video. I'll see you once we get to Government House. All right. So we're very close to the Government House. To my left, there is Opera Square. Is the Unity Park, the Unity Park, and on my right is Government House. So you can see, as much as the place has been barricaded, you can see Government House has been barricaded there, but you can see that is where Government House is. To my right there is Government House. So you can see how close that particular project, that's Opera Square to the right there, and that is Unity Park to the left. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'd like to get feedback from you. I'd like to know what you think about this particular project. Kindly share this video and enjoy a fantastic day. Bye.